everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garen Elise. Today I'm doing a show and tell on the newest addition to the Neesha line, 206, in the color 1B. Here's the back of the stock card. The style is just a really cute natural bob with all different types of colors. I chose 1B because I just want something simple. So here is the style, really pretty, feathering and layers. Just really nice. Cap constructions, typical. We got lace from ear to ear and a very narrow parting space and combs in the front and back. So I'm just going to take some powder and just go ahead and tint the lace a little bit from the inside of the cap. And no glue or anything, I'll just be using my wig grip. Okay, looking at the unit on my head, I feel like the parting space is just a little bit too narrow for me. So I'm actually going to have to do a little bit of work on it. I'm going to pluck the part, add some powder, and maybe some baby hairs to just make it look a little more natural on my head. Alright, and after some work on that parting space, she's done. Look at that, y'all. That looks so much better. I really like this unit. I love the feathering. I love the layers. I love how it swoops to the back. This is a really good everyday kind of wig. You can wear it to work. You can fix it up to wear it to go out, even though nobody's going out right now because we're quarantined. But it's really nice. What I do think I will do later on is take a hot comb and smooth out the top of the wig, just because it has this awkward bump to it. I don't know. But other than that, it's really cute. No shedding. Just very natural, very light, very pretty. Definitely recommend this to add to your collection.